National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Dixon County in Middle Tennessee, southwestern Montgomery County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Stewart County in Middle Tennessee, Houston County in Middle Tennessee, Perry County in Middle Tennessee, Humphreys County in Middle Tennessee, Hickman County in Middle Tennessee, until 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:34 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles east of Vail to 10 miles southwest of New Jacksonville to Decaturville, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hurricane Mills, Charlotte, Bon Aqua, Bosseltown, McEwen, Prim Springs, Palmyra, Tennessee Ridge, Bucks North, Erin, New Jacksonville, Linden, Pleasantville, Houston County Airport, White Bluff, Menley, Cunningham, Dixon, Cumberland City, and Miles. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 136 and 180. Interstate 840 between mile markers 1 and 6. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Middle Tennessee.